video was taken the same day last year. Let's say it's an anniversary. What's going on in this video? Let's find out! Oh guys, sorry I didn't notice that you're already there because I was busy supervising si Sime to clean the floor. Anyway, welcome to Jade's channel. Once again, this is Jewel and we're going to see or witness... Oh wait, hold on, let's stop for a while. I'm still talking to them. Si Sime, please. Thank you. Oh guys, sorry for that commercial. Anyway, let's go back to our topic for today. We're going to have a review of one of Jade's favorite gadgets. Wow! Do you know that Jade loves gadgets? And she's actually naming them according to their usage or styles. And this day marks the first year anniversary of Leatherette. Why we called her Leatherette? Let's find out. Leatherette is actually a convertible laptop made by the company HP, and they called it HP Spectre Folio. What's so special about this? Its design is different from any other convertible laptop, and on top of that, the Spectre Folio is covered with elegant leather, making it different from any other computer Jade have ever used before. It is a 13.3 laptop weighted 3.28 pounds. What Jade really likes about this folio is how its hinges work. With just a snap, it allows the computer to quickly transform from standard laptop mode to a tense mode for easy reading or watching, or if you like to do some stuffs. As you can see guys, and then if you want to carry it as a tablet mode, just snap it again and it will turn into a tablet mode. As you can see guys, it is wrapped completely with 100% genuine leather. It's very thin and lightweight. And with just a snap from a tense mode, voila! You'll be on the tablet mode. And it's not like the other convertible that you will be worried about the keyboard. This one, the keyboard is very safe. The one that Jade has is a cognac brown with operating system of Windows 10 Home 64, and its processor is Intel Core i7 with the graphics integrated Intel UHD Graphics 615, and it is 13.3 inches with W-LED backlit touch screen with Corning Gorilla Glass. It has two Thunderbolt USB Type-C ports on the side. Facial recognition is quite good. And also, do you know that folio doesn't have fan? And no fan means the folio operates silently. And to Jade's amazement, it really stays cool. And the best part of it is the incredible battery life. She's able to use the laptop from day till night without plugging it. It comes with a pen. Actually, the pen really works fine. But Jade's problem is how it is placed. It's going to look disturbing. Do you agree with me, guys? As you can hear guys, the audio is quite fine. It has quad speaker and it's from Bang & Olufsen. And as you can see, you can open a lot of tabs and things, and you can do everything without it overheating or burning your lap. And it's not like a metal that will also cause cold on your lap. Guys, do you know that Jade loves to upgrade and trade in every time there's something new coming up? Do you think she's going to trade in this beautiful and luxurious leather laptop? Let us know your guess in the comment section down below. And whoever wins will have a great surprise from Jade, of course, not from me. And we will let you know on our next vlog.
So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video interesting, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button down below and don't forget to ring the bell so you will be updated on my future videos. Till next time guys, I hope to see you on my next vlog, and I hope that all of you are staying safe. God bless everyone. Stay safe always. Bye!
Thank you for watching guys, and before we end up, let me have a shout out to Jade the Travel Nurse channel members while I'm cleaning the floor. Search Jade the Travel Nurse on YouTube.